In this video I'm exploring Tagaytay, a small city south of Manila filled with nature and famous for its sweeping views over Taal Volcano. I check out the city's top attractions and eat my way through its restaurants and cafes. But as always with travelling, things don't quite go to plan. It's the worst thunder and lightning storm I've ever been in. Wow, what an end to this holiday. Good afternoon. So I've escaped Manila for the weekend and I'm here in Tagaytay for the first time ever, and it's very beautiful, lots of greenery. Just took the bus from Manila, which was fine. It was just under 2 hours to get here, and yeah, it's all good so far. The view, it's a bit foggy so can't quite see the view yet, but I'm hoping it clears up later on. So yeah, here for 2 nights and just going to do the first YouTube video I've done in forever, so hope you enjoy. So I'm staying at Hotel Carlito, which is right in the centre of Tagaytay, and it's a nice hotel, 4-star hotel. Just got checked into the room, very beautiful, nice, going to be very happy here. On the rooftop at the moment, it's just a big open viewing terrace. So yeah, seems like a really nice hotel, very nice staff and all that kind of stuff. So looking forward to this weekend. Okay, so that's me just finished at my first place, which is called Crosswinds. It's kind of like basically a road and a walkway through a little bit of kind of forest, open greenery. It's very, very nice, but sadly the weather's not been on my side so far. It's raining, umuulan, and the visibility is not very good. So when it's overcast like this, it's really not good for filming, but yeah, it is what it is. It's a nice area, it's got some nice restaurants. I stopped in a Filipino restaurant, had some food there, and that was a lovely restaurant. Beautiful design interior, the food was delicious as well. It wasn't cheap, but yeah, it was nice to eat there and take a walk back up. So I'm just trying to get a trike back to the hotel to chill out for a bit now, and then venture off somewhere else for this evening. Yeah, that's been a very fun first day. Honestly, just getting out of Manila and coming to some greenery and fresh air is amazing. When I go back to Scotland, I always look forward to walking through a pine forest. So yeah, I'm kind of annoyed at myself that for 3 years I've never really ventured to this area, which is so close to Manila, and just having that fresh air is wonderful. Back at the hotel now, and sadly the visibility is still pretty poor. It's just approaching sunset, so I might get up early tomorrow, and hopefully for sunrise the weather will be good and we can see over the Taal Volcano. Just here at Churritos by Bag of Beans, which is a very kind of vintage style cafe. Had to wait about 10 minutes for a table, but just ordered some food, some ice cream and a milkshake, because hey, why not? But yeah, just going to enjoy this place this evening. It's got a beautiful view at the front, but unfortunately it's already dark, so yeah, I need to try tomorrow to see that volcano. Good morning. So today is my only full day here in Tagaytay on this trip, and I've just woke up and just come up to the rooftop deck again, and it's still low cloud, so can't see Taal Volcano still, but it looks quite atmospheric. It looks better than fog did yesterday, so yeah, very nice and very fresh air as well. So going to head to breakfast now and then have a think about what to do for the rest of today. Just here at People's Park in the sky, and as soon as the trike pulled up it just started chucking it, but there's blue sky ahead, so I'm hoping it's not going to last too long. This definitely feels like Scotland though. It's beautiful scenery, lots of pine trees, fresh air smells amazing, it's raining despite some blue sky, so yeah, feels like Scotland. So just left People's Park in the sky. That was okay. It's just a little walk up to a couple of viewpoints. And yeah, the sun is out now, so it doesn't feel like Scotland anymore. Sober minded, bloody hot today. But yeah, enjoying it, and I've come to a place called Picnic Grove, which is just down the road on the way back into town. So yeah, just going to check it out. It was only 75 pesos to get in, so yeah, it looks beautiful. Just taking a quick break here at the Picnic Grove, getting some water, kasi super mainit dito. Very bloody hot and very thirsty, and for the first time ever I can kind of see the islands and volcanoes off in the distance, so I'm holding a lot of hope for later on that I finally get a good view of it this evening. So I've just left the Picnic Grove. That was okay. There wasn't much to do, to be honest. It was just little huts. I probably wouldn't recommend it if you're by yourself, but it's a nice place to go if you've got family and all that kind of stuff. I've just come to the Starbucks here, which has a fantastic view out the front, so I'm going to chill here for a while, get a cold drink, and probably head back to the room for a little bit just to rest before heading out into the afternoon. This Starbucks is on a really steep downslope, but it's got such an amazing view out the front, especially if it was a slightly clearer day, but it's a lot of greenery and not that many buildings as well, so yeah, enjoying the view. So I've just left the hotel after a little afternoon nap, and I've come to the SVD Farm, which is very close to the hotel and the centre of Tagaytay, and it's really beautiful actually. Very green area, very well looked after, and lots of things to do. So just going to have a wander about here. Yeah, this is a nice place to wander around, very green, very fresh air. It's quite a very big religious presence here as well, so I'm not entirely sure what part's the farm, what part's not, but yeah, very fun to wander around, and it's probably a lot better than the Picnic Grove I was at earlier, so I would recommend this place over Picnic Grove. It just started chucking it with thunder and lightning, so I've come to a very nicely rated restaurant called The Fatted Calf. Let's go check this place out. Yeah, that restaurant was great, really delicious, very fancy, very highly recommended. It's called The Fatted Calf here in Tagaytay. Yeah, beautiful interior, great service, all in all really good. I'm just going to head back to the hotel now, get some rest. I picked up some sunburn today, which I was kind of hoping to avoid, but yeah, all good. Maybe hit a cafe later on before bed, but yeah, just going to head back and chill for a bit. Just out for an evening stroll here on my last night in Tagaytay. There's a cafe a kilometre down the road I want to try. So yeah, all's good, just going to check out this place. Just a really quick note that Tagaytay's always felt very safe, even wandering about after dark, it's very, very safe. Nothing's felt bad at all, so yeah, very nice destination. Sad to be leaving tomorrow, but needs must back to Manila. Here we are, this is Yale Town Cafe. Just started bucketing rain outside, and I did not take an umbrella or jacket. I didn't think it was going to rain again. How naive of me. Yeah, this is not going to be fun. It's a full-on thunder and lightning storm. and my chances of getting a trike from here are pretty much zero, so I think I might just have to suck it up. Oh my god, this sucks. I just had to walk a kilometre down the side of a highway. No chance for any trike drivers to stop for me. They're moving too fast. By the time they see me, they're just gone. It's the worst thunder and lightning storm I've ever been in. And every car that went past was absolutely soaking me, so I'm absolutely drenched. And I've still got about a kilometre and a half to go. Unless I can find a trike. I'm outside this massive mall, but the mall's closed, so there's no trike drivers. So yeah, we'll see how we go, This is not a very fun end to the Baguio trip, but this lightning is unbelievable. I've never seen lightning this frequent anywhere. It's literally every second it's going off. It feels like a war zone. It's unbelievable. Look at the sky, it's going crazy. I don't know if you can hear the thunder in the camera, but wow. Jeez, oh. I've still got to walk through this for like a kilometre and a half. Wow, what an end to this holiday. Right, I better just crack on. There's no point in waiting here any longer. So yeah, I'm already drenched anyway, so I may as well just embrace it. Alright guys and girls, I'm back at the hotel. Thank God I did manage to get a trike driver eventually. And yeah, home safe and sound is the main thing. I'm going to wrap this video up here. Tagaytay's been amazing. The trip didn't go to plan at all. My drone didn't work. I didn't get to see Taal Volcano. But I still enjoyed myself, apart from the last kind of hour or so. But yeah, hope you have an amazing time, and I'll see you in the next video. Maraming salamat, ating at po.